ladies and gentlemen, to the eighth wonder of the world, the flow of the century. Oh, it's timeless.
What's going on, family? It's your boy C Notes. Y'all might know me from hits like Busy But My Bills Paid.
Busy but my bills paid. Busy but my bills paid.
Take notes. But today, it's all about the sneakers. As you can see, I'm not biased. I buy all kinds of sneakers. This is my new page, Sneakerhead Notes. Subscribe now. I gotta head to LA, All-Star Weekend. Hopefully I get a couple of pickups. Something like these.
Oh, it's timeless.
But stay tuned, subscribe. I'll be back.
No, we got one, baby. Getting money is my BFF. I done sold more drugs than CVS.